Hi, so in this lesson, we'll learn how to make cutlets. So, firstly, pour water to the cup with bread slices and let it down for a few seconds. When it becomes soft, squeeze out the water and add it to the bowl with meat. Add as well butter at room temperature, then the seasonings, and grated onion. Mix to combine all the ingredients. Next, add some vegetable oil to your hands and shape the cutlets. Coat each with flour and tap on it to remove the excessive flour. Now place them to the preheated pan with vegetable oil and roast them until golden brown on both sides. Next, place them to the oven and let it bake for about 20-25 minutes. And it's ready!